So, hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. And this is the course of data visualization. Just I am going to mention how you can get this course for free. And as you all know, data visualization is the field where when you're going through this data visualization, you got very less resources on any type of website. And in many of website, you need to pay for learning data visualization. But here you are just going to get free resources as well as different type of things here. So I'm just going to mention, and there is a free certificate from freecodecamp.org also. As you all know, freecodecamp.org, they provide many type of learning resources for free on YouTube and as well as different type of on their website as well. So I'm just going to start this video, but firstly please subscribe my channel. There are various resources for the student. There are various education opportunities, goodies, free certifications, also intensive opportunities, different type of things I cover on my channel. So if you subscribe my channel, you get notified all about all the opportunities about this type of things. So please subscribe if you doesn't if you haven't subscribed now, and also please share with your friends also, that my channel is very useful for them also. So next thing, I'm just going to show you, this is a data visualization course from freecodecamp.org. As I already mentioned about freecodecamp.org, and I think you all know about this. And if you doesn't know, you just go through the free code camp. There are lots of total 7,000 plus tutorials are available on freecodecamp.org, and you can complete any type of tutorials and you got a free certificate. There is no need to pay any charge for any type of courses, and all the resources are very awesome because they are developed and maintained by many good edtech companies. So you can see here, firstly data is all around us, but it isn't without shape or context. Means there is a, firstly there are some they define data visualization, how data visualization is needed and which type of things you need to learn. So after that they mentioned the courses of data visualization with D3. So here you can see D3.js, JavaScript, and different type of things they will going to cover. And here you can see total 29 segments are on, total 9 subtopics are there in this course, which you can see here at document elements with D3. Means the whole course is going to cover in D3 format. So yeah, you can see all the things of what are going to be covered. Add classes, inline styling to elements, change the style based on data, update height and element dynamically. So all the things related to data visualization will be going to cover in these courses. And also there is JSON and APIs and AJAX. So this type of things is also going to be covered in this course. And if you want to know all about this, so here you just tap on this. There are also 10 courses separately on this two things also. So there is, means there are a lot of resources on freecodecamp.org where you can learn different type of things to in totally free, and you got a free certificate as well. When you are going to learn data visualization or any type of course on the YouTube from freecodecamp.org tutorials or any tutorials, you doesn't going to get any certificates. But here you are going to get some free certificates as well. And the topics, means they give the here all the structured things, means what you need to do firstly, after that what you need to do, which type of projects you need to do. Here you can see data visualization projects also there. So this helps you, means the most important thing for any type of internship, means any type of opportunity for the student is the projects. So if you complete any type of tutorials, if you completed some projects on that topics, then this give you an edge to other students. So here there is a separate section of projects where they mention total 5 projects which you can complete after completing the tutorials. And if you have a knowledge of all type of tutorials, then you just jump on this project section and complete all the 5 projects, and this give your resume a good look and outstanding from other students. So after completing all of this, you can claim your certificate from here. You can see complete the following steps to claim your few data visualization certification. So different type of things are there. You just need to okay with all this and complete all the certifications which are already mentioned. So after that you can claim your certification. So firstly you need to sign in this platform, and Signing process is very easy. You can use your GitHub account or any type of account which they mention for signing process, and after that you just need to complete all the courses which I already mentioned and I showed in this video. So this much in this video, I think you get to know about this freecodecamp.org, as well as this course of data visualization that is very means data visualization course is not you got on the all the for free on all the edtechs. So there is a very limited resources for data visualization, and one here you are going to get free tutorial about data visualization on freecodecamp.org. So take benefit of this and start learning data visualization, and also share this share your certification on LinkedIn and different type of platforms, and also make some awesome projects of data visualization. So that's much in this video. Meet in the next video. I think there are different type of lots of resources on my channel already available, so you can take benefits of them and start learning. You can with start learning with different type of videos which I already mentioned. So that's much in this video, friends. Meet in the next video. Thanks for watching, and just share this video if you like this video.